In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the changes made to Herfert Software in the newest update to help make the registration of the new Medicare G-Codes even easier. If you go under Patient and Registration, I'd set my date back to show you my example here. At the top here where it says PRS G-Codes, you can go ahead and select the appropriate G-Codes for that visit. I'm going to start with the 8730 that says the pain assessment and follow-up plan were completed. And in the functional outcome assessment, I'm going to select the one that says the current functional outcome assessment was done and the care plan was documented. And then you can go ahead and register the visit procedure codes, whether there's an adjustment or x-rays, and click Save. If we go to the transaction screen, you can see here that the G-code was put in, both of the G-codes, underneath the adjustment code. If we go ahead and change the date, and go back to patient registration, again, you can see that it pulls up the G-codes we used last time. If you need to change them, if something was done or not done on the pain scale, you can do that. As far as the functional outcome assessment, we can now change it to G8942 that says there is a current one on file within the past 30 days. Click OK, and again we can put in our adjustment. Again, our date says this was done within the past 30 days, and click Save. We can go back to the transaction screen. You can now see the second adjustment and both of the new G-codes. I'm going to now change the date one more time, because now our G-code is 30 days old. If I go back to Patient and Registration, you can see it highlights in red, says this G-code is over 30 days old. So again, you can select the appropriate pain scale G-code, but then under functional outcome assessment, we can use 8539 again, that indicates it was done. Once again, click OK, put in the appropriate adjustment code, and then click Save. You can see now it has updated the date of the last functional outcome assessment. And again, in transactions, you can see the adjustment and both of the G-codes were billed. If you have any other questions regarding G-codes or anything else about Herfert Software, feel free to give us a call, 586-776-2880.